Welcome to JH. Today, we will cover how to register a new staff member in Zoho People. This straightforward process is vital for maintaining an accurate HR database and streamlining the onboarding of new hires. Let's walk through the procedure together to ensure you can handle this task effectively. Start by signing into your Zoho People account. After entering your login details, you will arrive at the primary dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all platform features. From this main screen, locate the plus symbol, known as the Quick Actions icon. Selecting this will reveal a drop-down menu with various choices. Choose the Employee option to enter the management area. Within this section, locate and click the Add Employee as button to proceed. You should then select the invitation method. This is a highly effective way to bring new people into your organization, as it allows the system to send out formal invites, making the setup easier for everyone. Now, provide the required information in the designated fields. Be sure to include the staff member's name, contact info, and specific employment data as required by your company. It is important to be precise to prevent any data errors later on. Once all the information is entered, hit the Create button. This action saves the profile and officially adds the individual to your Zoho People database. You now have the option to provide further details or skip this part if the essential data is already complete, depending on your internal protocols. Next, click on Trigger Onboarding to start the formal induction process, ensuring the new hire receives the necessary training and resources. You should also activate any linked workflows to integrate the employee into automated company communications and operational tasks. To conclude, click Finish to confirm your changes. You have now successfully registered a new team member in Zoho People. By following these steps, you can keep your personnel records organized and up to date. Thank you for following this tutorial.